Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be unboxing this Sony WH-1000xm3 blue wireless noise cancelling headphones. So these look super cool guys. Let's get straight into it. First and for all, it has a 35-hour battery, Bluetooth of course. It looks super cool. As you can see, it has the sound buttons over there and the pause, next and back button over there. Okay, let's start opening it. Okay, let's start by taking out this plastic. Okay, plastic out of the way. Let's open the box.
Few moments later. "12 seconds later."
Okay, here's the final thing. This looks like the charger, I'm guessing. And doesn't look like there's too much in here, but let's open it. Seems like these are probably the instructions. Yep, instructions. And this is probably the charger. And this looks like in case you do want to connect it to something specific. So we got the cables right here. Oh my god. Doesn't look like how it looks in the picture, but looks pretty cool. Oh, there we go. Now it looks like the picture. Seems like you can turn those. Cool. Okay, you connect everything here, put it all on there. And here's where all the fancy buttons are. Okay. So I really want to see how comfortable these are. Feels pretty comfortable on me. Yeah, these feel really nice. So that's all for this video guys, and I'm going to see you all in the next one. Bye.